Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch Network 4 live on your phone, your laptop or smart TV. This method lets you stream the channel online without using cable. So to begin with, you just have to turn on your phone or your computer, and here in the search bar you need to simply search for Network 4 live. So when you search for it, you will find the first link of the official website of Network 4. Over here, you just have to click on this link and it is going to redirect you here on the official website of the Network 4. Over here, you just have to tap on the button of play, then the live broadcast will start instantly. If this video is buffering, you just have to refresh this page once again and wait for a few seconds for it to load properly. Now, if you want to watch on a smart TV, you just have to open your TV's application store. Then you need to look for the Network 4 application there. If you are able to find the application, you just have to install it and then simply go to the TV option to start watching the stream. If the live stream is not showing, it may be due to the location restrictions. So if that's the case, you can either use a VPN to see if it is working for you or not. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.